Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. Do you have pictures or photos that don't depict how you look like? You know, those kinds of photos that are so common these days that distort the way the person looks like they make your eyes big or your lips big or whatever, or those pictures that are generated by AI machines that kind of make you look like this kind of whatever type of person that you really are not. I'm not saying that those things are bad, but we have to think about these things critically because sometimes we don't want to have our energies distorted in that manner. And many times, when you're working with energy, as without, is a reflection of within. The within is a reflection of the without. So if you're taking these kinds of pictures or are loving them or trying to hide behind them, it's just something that someone has to think about. What do you guys think? I want you to tell me about this thing because I know some of those pictures are nice and some people still want to be in the background. But what do you really think about having distorted images as a representation of your likeness in this time and age? Some things are fun and they're cool, but there's always like a price behind some of these things that are happening. So I'm just putting this out there for consideration. I'd also like to hear what you guys think about this. I personally think that it's not really in our best interest to have distorted images of who we are as light beings. It's so much better to be you in your full power and in your full glory as who you are in this physical representation. Because this energy, this person, this image, this version of you is the channel through which light flows. Not that anything is good or bad or anything is polarized, but I just want us to think about this thing a little bit more clearly. We come into resonance with the things that are in our energetic field. Stay for a long minute within a certain energy field of an image, and soon you will start getting into resonance with that impression. Soon you will start getting into resonance with that image. Soon you'll start getting into resonance with that energy. So if you don't like an image, or if you don't like how something looks, or if something is portraying you as distorted, just think about it. This is not the energy that you want to come into resonance with. This is not how you want people to meet you as a conscious being. You know what I mean? So when you're putting out images out there, or even if you're looking at some of these things, because nobody knows what's behind some of these images that the AI is producing about who we truly are, or how you're trying to hide behind some of these images, or whatever it is. Nobody knows what the thing is, but sometimes you know, but you just ignore. You kind of sense that there's something behind it, but you just kind of ignore these things. So the thing is, because there are so many weird things going on in the world, and a lot of people don't really know what is true and what is not true. You know what I mean? That you as an individual who's working on yourself, know who you are, know what your truth is, know what your light is. So we must try to the best that we can to depict ourselves in the best possible way that we can. Beautiful images, loving images, something that makes you feel good and is true to you. That's what I mean, So let's project that energy. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this whole thing? We really, really, really should not forget who we are. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.